Today we see differences between money market and capital market. Basis of difference money market, capital market. The first one term. In money market, short term funds are provided. Money market traded only short term securities. In capital market, long term funds are provided. Capital market traded only long term securities. Next one, credit instruments. In money market, credit instruments are homogeneous. It means a lot of variety causes problem for investors. In capital market, credit instruments are heterogeneous. In this market, a lot of varieties are required. Then third one, duration. It means maturity period. In money market deals with lending and borrowings of short-term funds for 1 year or less. Basically, money market trader short-term securities. So maturity period in this market 1 year or less. In capital market deals with lending and borrowings of long-term funds for more than 1 year. Capital market trader long-term securities. So maturity period in this market more than 1 year. Then fourth one, risk. Risk factor involved is very low in money market. Money market basically less risky because it deal in short-term liquid assets. In capital market, risk factor involved is comparatively high. In capital market, risk is more because it deal in long-term assets. The next one, instruments. Money market instruments are treasury bills, call money, commercial paper, certificate of deposits, etc. In capital market instruments are shares, debentures, bonds and government securities are used in this market. The next one, participants. In money market, operating institution participants are central bank, commercial banks and non-banking financial institution. In capital market, operating participants are commercial banks, stock exchange, non-banking institutions like insurance companies, etc. Time horizon. In money market, time horizon is within 1 year. In capital market, time horizon is more than 1 year. The next one, liquidity. In money market, liquidity of financial asset is very high. In capital market, liquidity of financial asset is very low. The next one, nature. Money market deals with only money. In capital market deals with securities like shares, debentures, bonds, stocks, etc. The last one, needs. In money market meets the working capital requirements of the business. And capital market meets the permanent working capital of the business. The next one, differences between primary market and secondary market. It is the marketplace where securities are issued for the first time. It is also called new issue market. It is a way of issuing fresh shares in this market. So this market is called new issue market. In secondary market, it is a marketplace where the second-hand securities are traded. It is called after issue market. In secondary market, issue or existing shares are traded. So this market is called after issue market. The next one, securities are issued by the companies to the investors. In primary market, securities are directly issued by the companies directly to the investors. In secondary market, securities are exchanged between buyers and sellers and stock exchange facilitates. In secondary market, securities are sold or transferred from one investor to another. And third one, the securities are issued at one price for all investors participating in the offering. In primary market, the prices are fixed and issued at par value. In secondary market, securities are exchanged at the market. In secondary market, prices vary depending with the demand and supply of securities traded. Then fourth one, primary market provides financing to the new companies for the expansion and diversification. In primary market, funds and raise for financing companies for the expansion and diversification. In secondary market, do not provide financing to companies because in this market, no funds is raised for company. Only buying and selling of securities is done among investors. Then fifth one, underwriters act as intermediaries. It is a link between companies and market. So in primary market, underwriters act as intermediaries. In secondary market, brokers act as intermediaries. The next one, in primary market, securities are issued first time. In this market, securities can be sold just once. In secondary market, securities traded once issued. In secondary market, securities can be sold innumerable times. The next one, the amount received from the securities or the income of the company in primary market. In secondary market, the amount received from the securities, income of the investors. The last one, in primary market, there is no specific physical existence or location. In this market, there is no fixed geographical location for the new issue market. The issuing companies may have offices at different location. In secondary market, there is some physical existence. In this market, the location of stock exchange is fixed at a specific place.